Okay guys, this video is the new clutch and fly for my Integra for the spare motor swap. If you guys have seen in the previous videos, I am going all-wheel drive. So for now I'm going to run the all-wheel drive transmission as front-wheel drive until I can do the rear end, which hopefully will be very soon. But I did get this from Jeff Revline, Revline Motorsports. I always say it wrong. Or Revline. I'll put his link down in the description box. Also keep in mind, I'll put his Facebook page and his website down below. He has given us a 5% code. If you guys like some savings, then go to his website to order. He also has great pricing. The code is RS18. That'll be the code for 5% off over $100. So just so you guys can get that. And again, I won this, and I got this through Jeff. So I won't mention how I won it, but I was able to win it, and Jeff sent it down to me. But it is a Clutch Masters clutch. Remember, the original plan for this car was to be the daily. So before I had the all-wheel drive stuff, it was just going to be all motor for quite some time, but as things get rolling, I got the all-wheel drive full drivetrain, and the craziness began. So I don't know, I can't remember what this clutch was rated for, but hopefully it's enough. Got some sweet Clutch Master stickers. Go ahead and toss those on my toolbox. I must be missing a box. I gotta go run back there because this is just the flywheel, which, whoops, I did not know it came with bolts also. So that's pretty sweet. I ended up getting OEM bolts. There goes the bolts. Here is the flywheel. Okay, that's the flywheel. Bolts. Which to me, these are pretty tiny. Oh wait, I'm sorry, these are the pressure plate bolts. That's what these are for. I was going to say these are super tiny to be flywheel bolts. But I did get OEM flywheel bolts because the spare motor was a automatic. And let me go back there and try finding where my clutch is. Because I know I have a clutch, I just got to go find it back there. So give me 1 minute. Okay, so for whatever reason I forgot that they got sent in this huge box, but it was definitely back there. So let's check it out now. Yeah, definitely came in a big box. Ah. All right. Box out of the way real quick. Throw it in my empty engine bay. Okay. Now, let's see the clutch. For a minute I did freak out. I had to go back through some pictures that I had to see what it came in, because I always post pictures of the boxes without opening them. So I've been sitting on this for at least 4 or 5 months now. But let's check it out. Again, lots of stickers, lots of stickers. And now for the clutch. Whew. Comes with a throwout bearing. If you guys remember, I never have luck using aftermarket throwout bearings. I have not decided if I'm going to go out and buy an OEM one. I actually might compare it when I pull off this transmission, which will be next. Let me see. Kind of, they package the heck out of this. I don't know if you guys can see this. The alignment tool, throwout bearing. That box had the pressure plate bolts. This stuff is, damn, this stuff is on there good. All right, there it is. So I'm going to compare this to the OEM one and see what I think of it. But as of right now, I don't know yet. I don't know yet. Let's see. Let's go ahead and get the here is it's a full surface sprung. I think it's a stage 3. I don't know. It'll be in the description box or the title when I try to remember what clutch I got. But there it is. Clutch Masters. So there goes the pressure plate. And it says precision balanced. And also, just so you guys know, if I would have known the Clutch Masters twin disc have these little springs compared to the competition clutch twin disc that I ordered, with those little springs, it makes less noise. Less noise. Hold on, I forgot my radio was on. It makes less noise. If you know what that noise with the twin disc, that screeching, that chatter, there you go, the chatter with the Clutch Masters twin disc, they have little springs that minimize that. If I would have known that, I would have probably ended up with the Clutch Masters twin disc for the Galant. But I had the competition, and I'm going to roll out with the competition for now. But yeah, there it is. I'll try to remember what stage this was. Stage 3, I think. Full disc. Sprung. And that's all I can remember. But that is going to be the new clutch and fly for the spare motor. And now it is time to get working onto this guy. So like, subscribe, share the video. More to come. And yeah, guys, we'll go from there. Thank you, guys.